Lights ready, sound ready, the green screen is ready. So we're here in the middle of Dakar, which is the capital of Senegal on the peninsula, and it's one of the most busiest places in all West Africa. And here you see people building a park and transforming a place that used to be a dumping ground or a parking lot to something much bigger. It's a place where people will be able to relax, to bring their kids so they can have fun, to pray, to read, and it's in a bigger environment. Plus, you get to see these signs on the sides so that people will be also able to learn more about the species of plants that grow in Senegal, to understand that it's a much greener place than you would see if you only live in Dakar. Today there are approximately 30 people planting the plant, but there is much more to this. They started it in February, but because of the virus it was a bit slowed down, but the work is recommencing, the life is going back, and this place and these people are making Dakar much greener and better. Because it doesn't take much. Look at this. How much time will it take to grow a tree like this? 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, even 30 years is not much. If we start today, everyone will start today by planting just one tree or one plant. We can transform every country, every city in the world to a better place. And that's what people are doing here. They are tired of waiting for the future to come to them, so they created themselves. This is Senegal. This is West Africa. Dakar is very hot nowadays. Even though there are many clouds here, it's still super hot. It's plus 29 degrees, which is more than in Nouakchott in Mauritania, Bamako in Mali, and even in Kinshasa in DRC. It's very, very hot, especially in Dakar, which is supposed to be called the Cap Vert, the Green Cape, because it's the most western point of Africa. But now it's not that much. As you can see, it's a bit deserty. It's not as green as it used to be, and it's even hotter than it used to be. What can be done about it? Many people are asking, what can be done to make a place, a city, more cool, less hot, with not so much sunshine that is causing some problems? Well, there is a solution. It's the shade. Plant more trees and they will give you the shade that is cooling the whole city down and makes people more happy, allows them to work more and spend more time not suffering from heat, but also enjoying life. The more trees that are planted in the city, it's basically the policy of many modern city planners. Plant more trees because it will keep the levels of heat down, which is very important nowadays for everyone. Learn from these people. Take a look, it's just 30 people now, but with every day this quantity is growing, and they are changing Senegal as we speak and making it a place that they would be proud of showing to the coming generations, to the people who are living in other countries. It's so cool, inspiring.